Very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here, and welcome you all to my channel. And this session, I'm just going to discuss about my positional options strategy concepts on the month of January. So in the initial stage, we are looking at almost 10 plus stocks, which triggers our breakout point. And based on our advanced option strategy concepts, still almost 10 stocks more than our achieved target, and the some of the stocks which triggers. But after the first 3rd of January, so we have a lot of opportunity in call, almost 10 stocks which trigger. And after that, we have many put sides, so which triggers almost as of now, so more than 40% is somewhere around the 35 stocks, more than 50% is somewhere around 80 stocks, sorry, 27 stocks, which is moving. And how we are planning based on our hedging strategy with the Google Sheet. It's a tool to find out our like a scanner for our positional concepts where we are learning somewhere four hedging strategies and two naked strategies that we are going to discuss on our strategic courses. And by using our tool, so how many stocks which given you the opportunity. So ITC, it's due to demerger, the prices are changed and the strike prices still remain same. But whatever the data which shown on ITC, that was a wrong data because of this is what a demerger. So from that price of 481, it came down to almost 442. So this is not about the price drop. It is due to the changes in the the corporate actions which is happening on those stocks. So that is why the price of the stock is decreased. And finally, it is now showing. And due to that gap, so we have seen there is a gap between the strike prices. So ignore this ITC, but if you are looking at weekly, because this merger is happening this week, so why this particular premium is jumping like 34 from 30 paisa, but it is not a right one. So simply ignore and remaining. What are the stocks which shown here? And weekly basis, we have almost more than 34, 35 stocks which moves. And as per monthly, we have a lot of stocks. Let me take how it works. So for example, Apollo Tire 530. 530 should be the strike price which we are going to focus for a breakout, whether it is giving you a real breakout or not. So now it is this moving good. And look at the liquidity. It is not a good liquid. 530 rupees is our entry point. Maybe before triggering our entry point, it is a good liquid. On 6th January, it was triggered around 30. Okay, after that, it is deep in the money right now. So the premium is almost to 66 rupees from our entry point. It is double. While taking this as a valid entry, and almost after 9:15, after 9:30, we got an opportunity. It's a fresh breakout. So here, after a trigger our breakout point, so it is achieving our target. So you can apply any of our hedging strategies at this moment where it is either like a 2.1, 3.2, F4, SBB kind of strategy which we can apply here if you are following for a hedging kind of trades only. And this is what today's stock, which are a lot of stocks trigger. And Kalyan Jewelry 760, so put option, will it is giving a valid entry. It looks like a valid entry. Our breakout point is 63. Now it is 144. 63. Will it is triggered? Maybe due to gap. So, but the re-entry may be triggered at this point. No, I think this one, it's not triggered because the next candle by the opening around 8th January, it is a gap up and 63 rupees is doesn't reach, and this is an invalid entry, or even you can't get the entry. Godrej Properties 2800, and will it is give you a valid entry. Let me check the 63 is our breakout, sorry, 191 is our breakout point. So it is giving you 6th. Okay, sixth, after the six, it did not moves and it was moving to 158, almost 30 points down. In this scenario, so if you are following a trade opportunity at 191 and it came down to 158, almost to 30 points down. So maybe naked trade give you some panic, but we have a stop loss and it not triggered it. And if you are applying an hedging strategies at this point, so maybe it will be giving you some good question. So if you are doing an hedging like a 2.1 or 3.2 kind of strategy, and after that it is gradually increasing, and at this point 275 I should have a target, and still it is keep on rising almost 400 rupees. So that premium also double, almost 191 to 400. So this is what a good valid entry which is happening. So in this month, first 3 days, we have a lot of call opportunities from there 10 like Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, Maruti, and SBI Life, Titan are the given opportunity, and that moved well. But after that, the sixth, we have a lot of opportunities in port like RF Pharma and BHEL 230. So Bell 230 put option. What are the opportunities? This is a good liquid as well as it moves around 16 is our breakout point. So when the 16 got triggered, I think here is the point, and this is also not triggered at our breakout point. So because it's a gap up, so we consider this is not a valid trade or it is not a tradable trade. So our entry point is 16 and it was started by 18, almost 19. So it is already 3 rupee higher. We will be waiting for the breakout one more time, but it doesn't give you the opportunity. Maybe it's invalid. So Tata Power 390, almost 23.2. So these are all the opportunities where it is triggered in this particular case put option, and this was a valid, and our breakout point is 16 when it is 16 is triggered. I think this was happening, this is also happening by 16th, and now it is almost 34 double the premium. So almost more than 50% of many stocks, PEL, PFC, NTPC, CG Power. So from this list we have to filter out good liquid and quality stocks. If we filter out, so maybe we will be getting 20 plus stocks as a good liquid, and as per our basic based on the concept. So at this moment up to 10th of this month, we have almost 10 plus stocks which trigger a call breakout, and 20 plus stocks which gives you put breakout. So based on our logic and concepts, how we are going to effectively find out 3 to 5 stocks per month. That is the main concept to use our positional strategy. And, this month, I think before 10th of this month, it is everything is over and it is more trade is achieved, and our another concept of OTM strategy that is also generating a 15 to 20 plus percentage for the month of January. So I hope you understood how we are using our hedging strategies. And if you want to learn more about our hedging strategies, you can just ping me a WhatsApp message which shown on this video, or you can directly find out my WhatsApp link on our description, and you will be finding the courses from my website Trade with AS, the link also available. So it's a purely a positional stock options, and how effectively we select the strike price for non-directional as well as directional strategies based on our concept on this is a scanner which help you to find out the breakout point on real time. Okay, so after that we are going to apply our hedging strategies, any of the strategy which you like. So or based on your logic or based on your concept, you can apply that particular strategy, and it will be working fine. And you have to make this as a positional ones, and these are all the things. And the last week this week, so on Thursday we have some data issue on our intraday part. So we are now rectified now. So almost yesterday, a lot of intraday opportunities because I was not available yesterday. I was not tracking, and no stocks. But many stocks which triggers our breakout point yesterday. Maybe we need to find from that from our scanner, and let we use our charting to find out intraday better intraday breakouts with the dashboard which you have already created. So if you have seen, so because the first, second candle, third candle, there is no stocks in a call side. So means it simply tells mostly put side triggers. In first candle, PFC, Bell, Atco, maybe not liquid, or PLT not liquid. So maybe this three, BHEL, PL, PFC, those are all the stocks. So whether it is available here, PFC, BHEL. So intraday, this is about an intraday. So R for breakout, BHL, but the strike price is not showing values because of end of the day. So maybe some of the strike price not traded at closing hours. So that's why it's showing you 0 BHEL 220. So BHEL 220 put option on intraday R for breakout. Let me check that R4, and this is not a valid one because the R4 level which broken on the first candle itself. So we normally not take the stock breaks the R4 in the first candle, but maybe opportunity which is happening here around 11:20 from this, and maybe a pivot or 2 rupees, and it was generating much more. Okay, so but as per the concept, we are not considering this as a valid one. And one more stocks which we are from the list, PEL and PFC. So let me check PFC. PFC 420. So let me go for PFC 420 put option. It is giving you opportunity. Yeah, exactly. This is also not happening because 920 to 925 breaks, but the second time one more opportunity that is triggered 16 and went up to 25, and that is also works well. And third PEL, if we check, most of the strike prices are quite not liquid. PEL is a one more strike price. That was not PEL. I think can't able to find it here. And let me check. Mostly at the closing on last few minutes, it's not traded means that was not shown there. It will be showing zero, but it will work real time. So DLF, sorry, finding of DLF. So we'll refresh this in control of DLF. Yes, 780 put option. DLF 780 put option. So that was also first candle. Mostly went higher and then returned back, bounces back from that level. Whatever the stock which you are seeing, or if you are seeing the third candle, CDSL, CESC, that are the stocks which is triggers, and you can track CDSL, CSC, that CDSL 1680. Let me go for CDSL. That is a third candle breakout. Okay, let me check whether it is giving you the third candle perfect breakout. Yeah, so here it is 9:45 breakout. So that is what right breakout, 9:45 to 10 o'clock. So where it is giving you the breakout, and this time it went and again came down. We are keep pivot as a stop loss. Pivot is somewhere here around 48 from 64, and this time it went to 106. This is why we can use our Google Sheet for intraday also, and this is what the inside camera which is happening the narrow range on a particular stock that we are finding out for the day. So thank you so much, and this is what a good opportunity for this month of January. We have actually almost many stocks which triggers our breakout point, and weekly also a lot of opportunity for the last week. And for the next week, the data would be changed by maybe tomorrow or before Monday morning. So you'll be getting new data for weekly and intraday. Thank you so much. If you like this video, hit your like button, and if you have any questions, just comment on the comment box. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.